Hey guys, it's the basic DIY guy, and as you can probably tell from the first clip, this is a review on the Rhino ramps. So I had these for about, this coming up winter will be 2 years, and they were stored outside mainly. So before I get into the specs and everything, I'm going to talk about, I guess, the build quality. So these were stored outside, and I do live in Canada, so we get snow. And like I said, this winter will be 2 years, and in that time span, the material stayed just like it's new. There's no cracks. Get some lighting here. It's still nice and rigid. I don't see any breaks or cracks or anything like that. It's like I said, it's just like it's brand new, and I do use this often. This is the main lift tool that I use to change the oil on my car. I just find it way easier than using a jacks and jack stands. So this just, as you saw in the beginning, just drive up, gives you that nice clearance, and you change your oil and that kind of stuff. So these usually go on sale. Canadian Tire, that's where I get it from, but you can get them online. $69 I got these two for. They do sell in pairs. They are rated for 8,000 pounds each, so per ramp. So that's 16,000 pounds total. I'll put the conversion in the description below in kilograms. And yeah, so this is quick review, right to the point. Like I'm not here to try to sell you something. I'm just here. Again, my channel is very small, so I'm not getting sponsored. No way. So these are just quick videos on my experience. Like I said, I had this for over a year. These were stored outside, and the build quality is great. I don't see any cracks, or when you drive over it, you don't hear any creaks or anything like that. So it still has its stability, and it's still rigid. What else here? So when you lift up the car on the ramps, just make sure you have something blocking the rear tires. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is a quick review on the Rhino ramps. 16,000 pounds total. My car is a Forte Coupe, which is way below the maximum here, so it's no problem. And it's easy to store, so you could just, see if I can do this with one hand, you just lift it, and there you go. And it's really light. I don't know the exact weight of it, but you just lift it like that, and then you could just carry it. See, no problem. I store it in the trunk of my car if I need it. If I know I'm gonna go a long period without using it, that's when I store it upstairs in the house. So yeah, that's the quick review on the Rhino ramps. As you can see there. Yeah, so thanks guys for watching. There'll be more quick reviews on the channel on just basic daily things that a guy or girl who wants to work on their car should have. So again, thanks guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.